Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the throttle body on a Chrysler PT Cruiser. This one is with a 2.4 engine. I think in the United States they're all with that engine 2.4. In Europe they have different modifications and different engines as well. So stay with us to see how we're going to replace the throttle body. Okay, the first thing that we need to do, we need to get a flathead screwdriver and we need to remove that clamp right there. That's for the intake hose that goes towards the throttle body. So you need to get it loose on both sides. One towards the throttle body and one that is close to the airbox. So we can remove the hose on the side. And you just pull it out. Okay, like that. Okay, first thing that we'll need to do is remove that box. So you need to press right here and one down there and just pull it out. So this way we can unhook the throttle cable right there. So we need to go to the left all the way and just unhook it out of the hole right there. Now right here we have two bolts with 10mm socket that we will need to remove. This is the bracket that holds the throttle cable. If your new throttle body comes with it, you will not need to remove it, but in most cases when you buy a brand new one, they do not come with that bracket, unless you bought a used one at a salvage yard or someplace. Now we got them loose and we'll just take them off and take the bracket off the throttle body. Right there. And we just put it on the side with the throttle cable. Now on the back right there you have two clips. One there, you need to push on the back, and one right here. Okay, and this one, let me show you. Right there, when this one is locked and the other one, they have that red thing, and when you lock it like that, you're not able to press the button down to release it. So you need to move the red thing with your finger to the outside, and then you can push down and release it. It's hard to see there. Now you need to pull that hose right there on top of it, that vacuum hose, and we have three bolts that we will need to remove with a 10mm socket again. One right there on top. Careful not to drop them, especially in the intake after you remove the throttle body. Do not drop anything there, because otherwise you have to remove the whole intake to avoid some damage to the engine. And the third one is right there on the bottom right side. As you can see, the throttle body started getting loose already, it's moving. It's a really simple procedure, but if you go to the dealer, they will charge you a lot of money for replacing it, which is not very complicated at all. Okay, this is the last one. And now on the bottom of it right there we have wires that are attached to it. So we'll need to just get little pliers to pull it out of there. Okay, we unhook the wires, and this is the throttle body right here. So that's the whole procedure for removing it, and you just put it back together in reverse order that we took it apart. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.